Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your home address on the Uber app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use Uber quite often and every time you Uber, you actually just Uber home. How do you make it so that you have a home address already set? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, scroll down, then click on Settings, then click on Add Home, and then this is where you can enter your home address, and there you have it. That right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set your home address on the Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.